So what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone camera turn black and not working. So guys, many iPhone users are facing this issue. Their iPhone camera has turned black and not working. So guys, you can see here I have also facing this problem. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue by using some simple methods. So guys, first of all you have to go to your settings and scroll down and go to camera, tap on camera, now tap on format, tap on high efficiency, go back, now go to record slow-mo, tap on second option, go back, tap on record video, now tap on last option 4K at 60 fps, and now you have to go to general, scroll down and tap on shutdown, shut down your iPhone and then restart it. Wait. After applying this method, enter your passcode and fix your problem. So guys, you can see here now my camera is working clearly. Everything is working: video, slow-mo, time-lapse, photo, portrait. So guys, this was the simple method to how to fix iPhone camera turn black and not working issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.